Hi, Steve Kleeman here from Hatteras Yachts with the Hatteras Yachts fourth quarter 2015 market report. The fourth quarter of 2014 saw 74 Hatteras yachts sold. The fourth quarter of 2015 saw 70 Hatteras yachts sold. The featured Hatteras is a 77 enclosed flybridge convertible 2011 with twin MTU 2400 horsepower with 250 hours. There are 4 staterooms with a his and her head in the master. The asking is $4,950,000. If you have any questions, please contact me. My information is at the end of this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the Boats Expo icon below. See you on the water, and thank you for your time.